Hello everyone, my name is Ojas Kompella. I have got 262 rank in JEE Advanced. I am from Allen, Hyderabad. I would like to thank everyone that have supported me, my parents, my teachers, my friend group. I couldn't have done this without them. My teachers have always been there for me. They really showed me uh, what to do, and they've showed me where my weaknesses are and how to work on them. That's all I wanted to say.
Hello everyone, I am Prisha Gupta and I have secured a rank of 729 in JEE Advanced 2026. I am extremely grateful to Allen Hyderabad for their support in the past year. That has truly helped me and all of my classmates to achieve what they have today. And I'm also really thankful to my parents, of course my teachers and my amazing peer group. So thank you so much and all the best to the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Akshat from Allen Hyderabad and I have scored rank 192 in JEE Advance. Firstly, I want to thank my parents and teachers for supporting me in this journey. I joined Allen 1 year ago and throughout this 1 year they have been the most supportive in this area. Our faculty have been great. They have supported me through all the times and I managed to get a very good rank and get a strong hold of the fundamentals because of Allen. So I want to thank all the faculty here and I wish the best results for the future of Allen Hyderabad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rishi Premnath and I'm proud to be a student of Allen Hyderabad this year, and I'm thankful for my faculty for helping me getting this rank of 177 in JEE Advanced 2026, and I'd like to thank my parents too for their never-ending support, and my friend group for their constant liveliness in the class and helping me be who I am today. Thank you.
I'm Arav Sethi. I secured a rank of 3,803 in JEE Advanced 2026. I'm thankful to my parents and I'm especially thankful to Alan and Saurabh sir for moving heaven and earth to start their course early to be able to support us through this journey. And I'm especially thankful to my teachers who not only supported me academically but also mentally and emotionally.
Hello everyone, I'm Arohi Deshpande and I was a student at Allen for 4 years. And with the help of Allen, I obtained 77th rank in JEE Advanced, for which I'm very, very happy and grateful for all my teachers, my parents and my family. Thank you.
Sure. Hello, my name is Arnav Gore and I got rank 1314, and I would like to say thank you to my parents, to all the faculty at Allen who helped prepare me for this journey, and to all my friend group who helped me get through this period in my life. I couldn't have done it without all of them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Saket. I have secured a rank of 933 in JEE Advanced 2026. I'm extremely grateful to all the people who have been there to support me, my parents, teachers, all of Allen faculty, and all of my supportive friends who have ensured that during my journey I was able to fulfill everyone's expectations. Thank you.
This is Saurabh Tiwari, Academic Head for Allen Telangana, and today we are really happy and excited to announce the result for JEE Advanced 2026. Once again, Allen has proved its legacy and supremacy in JEE Advanced. This is the third continuous year where we have got All India Rank 1. And not only All India Rank 1, we have got All India Rank 1, 2, 3 and 6 students in top 10. 24 students in top 50 and more than 40 students in top 100. And this is not the first time when Allen has got All India Rank 1, 2 and 3 all. The same has been done by Allen in the year 2016 also. And this time, this is the 7th time when we have got All India Rank 1 in JEE Advanced. So we are really happy and excited. If we talk about Allen Hyderabad, so from here we have got All India Rank 177, Rishi Premnath, and 192, SRK Akshit. Along with them, we have 7 other students who have got under 1000 rank, and we are really happy to have Arohi with us, who is the All India Girls Topper and All India Rank 77. She is a 4-year program student in Allen. And yes, in the future moving forward, definitely this is the result of the first year which we have got, and it is the benchmark Allen Hyderabad has created for himself. In the future moving forward, we are going to produce a lot of such results. Thank you.